Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm doing some iron-ons here and I just wanted to share some of those with you. This is one of the hats. It says Merry Christmas. I think it turned out really nice. Ironed on very well, even with it being a glitter hat. Alright, and then if you've been watching my haul videos, then you remember the jackets that I got at Family Dollar, very cheap. These, they were 97 cents at Family Dollar. Alright, so on the back I did an iron-on on it, and this is another DTF transfer. Alright, and I think this turned out very cute. So I will be doing the others that I have like this in those DTF transfers too. The colors are beautiful and it really goes well with this jacket. So I just wanted to get on and share that with you. I am doing some more shirts tonight. I'm going to be tuning into your lives tonight. Can't wait to see you all. So this turned out very well. They will be in my vendor booth on a hanger maybe. I may put them in a gift box. I don't know yet, but we will see. In the meantime, thank you all for tuning in. Be blessed, but most importantly, y'all, be a blessing. Bye-bye.